So we're here at the MK Valencia, where I'm gonna be shooting a wedding pretty soon as a solo shooter on my phone. So getting ready for this, coming to check the venue to make sure, you know, everything is great. It looks really nice. If you can see on the top, this is the place we're looking for. And not only that, but I'm gonna be shooting with 2 phones, a gimbal, and most likely my buddy, the Hover. So I'm gonna be shooting in there from there. I'm gonna take a couple of shots of the venue just so it looks, start getting freshed up, and then we go from there. Sounds good?
Okay, let's go.
Check out. So we just finished shooting a few drone shots with my assistant here, Jacier, my assistant, my grandson. And it's getting kind of chilly, that's one. It's getting kind of cold out here. And 2, I thought I was early, but people are waking up. So a lot of traffic. Traffic is starting.
Big car.
Yeah, like this one coming right now. Hold on, Bubby, hold on. Go to the side.
Manual control.
Yeah, it's gonna follow you, don't worry.
Yeah, when my grandpa just grabbed it, traffic just came out of crazy. And then when I just grabbed it and said, there's just one car going past.
Yeah, so what he's trying to say is that every time I try to fly it and shot the drone and flew the drone, massive people coming out. But whenever he got it, it was like nobody was coming, which was great because we got a couple of shots there. And now we're gonna go to where they're gonna prep and see before we go from there. And we're gonna go to the hotel. That's where we're gonna go. That's where they're gonna get ready, and we're gonna go. I'll talk to you. We'll show you soon. We'll keep you posted. All right?
All right.
Bye.
Bye.